Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Chapter 2 for Tori for this afternoon. This afternoon we go talk palava for thief. Now for that side so for Tico where they don't hold some boy where he own work. Now for go enter for farm them thief planty them. Person no sabi whether the boy to the prepare. Now for this palava where they say lockdown. For that side so for Norwest and Southwest. Inside the same Tori for this afternoon. Last bridge will be showing for now for here for Monday. Where we be talk say the bridge it dey halfway for dime. The bridge it don't last cut for that side so for that bridge now for inside place where they call am say Mizao Baloli. Now for that side where the bridge it is done. The bridge it don't last cut. We go talk that palava too this afternoon. Even chapter 2 for back for school. How people them for Douala side here them they prepare. We go talk that chapter 2 this afternoon. Sabi say plenty of the people there they sell book them for Douala side here. Now one day they don't run come up for Kumbam. For Sika Palava for condition where you know they again for their side. So they decide book them now for Douala side here. This story plus when newspaper them to the get them. We go bring them for now this afternoon. Big part talk for this sometime. They tell we for Sika say elephant skin a big plenty. Sabi say no matter how so you wipe his show small shit it must to be for day. Now big man where they call it Bison Paul Jr. for Bonaberry. Now send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back, small time. Good afternoon with the hip salute for all people that they look with just now, whether now for that side for A to D or now for side for Star Building with the salute on now the look with for this afternoon for Equinox Tori House country people them. One time Tori for this afternoon we go start now with the chapter for thief. Again, now boy for around that kind of 20 years, now the boy says where it is so the cashy for place where they call him say Tico, now for under waiting, now for Tico says for Southwest, if for now for under Fako division, as on the Siam, now planted that way Padiman, it don't the turn the thief all time for inside bush them, for that side so for Tico day. They don't talk say 99 day for thief man, one day for person where get your own cargo, this Padiman, he don't thief planted them so take time no day na way today they don't picky for that side so for Tico where he don't thief planted them. Sabi say no be na only planty people there they get farm for plum them too they cry for Sika say plum you know they ever remain for on top stick so they black now so the petit frère or the padima on the siam now they go cut they planted them now where people they ask whether na say he want the prepare na own lockdown or na how man he know sabi but according to where the padima he talk for we he try for tell we say na palava temptation na he make am he go cut people them planty for inside farm country people them see as well he cut planty them and planty them say they never strong na the thing that way they even vex we planty never even strong he go turn for inside bush cut am who he go say the kind of planty the way they never strong na question that we put the action so na own punishment that see all that planty them so na he don't cut am na way they don't picky. They ask you why you cut planty, why you the thief people them planty for farm. Make we hear answer where give we as we he talk say na temptation.
Every day.
Temptation will plenty planty.
Every day when you come and plant, every day.
It's a big pan no. No me a nebo. No me a kuba. Why we cut the planty for you?
Okay. You one guy in chop.
I know you. I know you how.
He said I'm hungry.
Even me are hungry. I don't know how many. How many are calling planted them? Are you one? Okay.
Now, so the thing happened for Tico this afternoon, country people, this palaver for thief. So for Tico yesterday, we they talk this small picture that they enter now for boxing. Tico again, palaver for thief again. This afternoon, also talk Monday. If we not be member, we be thrown at the bridge. Make we enter for the for Siam. Yes, the bridge it be then halfway. Una see no? The bridge it be the show say small time. OH it go finish with E. And we talk say if big people them for that side for Marua, they no look out. Now it mean say the bridge it go last cut. Yes, we be talk say if they no look out. See how people they take na style for climb on top bridge. Small pikin they don't already sabi their own way they use and pass. Wey no be there at all. For these people them for that side where they call them say Mizao na for that side so for inside far north. Now the bridge that will be talk say if they no look out, it go cut. Manadin make we enter for chapter 2 for the bridge. Now in that the bridge it don't last cut. Yes, the bridge it don't last cut. And now so now they go suffer. Now the population for inside Mizao, I say the population for Mizao for far north. Now them go last suffer. Bridge will be done fair one. I saw one no man no here. Now the bridge it don't last collapse. Now it means say waiting. They get for take time again for start for see so they go make the bridge. Time will be make announce. No man no come out for outside. Whether even as so the bridge don't cut, people that go so she done the look amo and no sabi. And sabi say maybe when the time reach to for make campaign we go there. But now the bridge at as soon as the Siam last people them for Mizao they go turn the use na canoe. If the one pass for that place, if and only if the one cross, it means say motor no fit cross again. Okada, no go fit for pass. As so that bridge from Mizao, it don't last cut. We be fair give sign for warning for Monday, but no man, no be make a like say something it don't happen. So just now, that bridge for inside Mizao, it don't last cut, and now they follow up that. We don't make on top this palaver for bridge for that side, so for Mizao, for far north region. We left Palava for bridge. We go remain for road just now. For Waka go for Dizange. When rain in the fall, forget. I say for enter Dizange when rain in the fall. Na di kind of thing that you meet up. Water inside hole. Then on top that one, na di red poto. You understand? Na red poto. No be na one way you go talk say no na black one. Na that kind of one way you wear white clothes. You march and enter, forget. It go stain you. It go make your clothes, it change color. So they even motor themselves. When rain it fall, for enter Dizange, you get for go na loco. I say waiting, loco. If no be so, motor the kene, okada the kene, even people that they work out food, they look out small. They take na style. If no be so, I say if no be so, you the tumble side. See okada says as well, he don't dirty, his skin don't change all. And even for on top bridge, it don't spoil. See how okada they go past. For on top bridge, it go past and say when the people that with the foot, they get for pass. Even the BB motor then too they pass, their head too, they final. I say the big motor them then too they no get them. See, now some big one that way don't tumble side for that side. When now for Sika say roads, it be the kene. Now why that way the motor tumble side? If the road no for the kene, for tumble side, see ya. Poto hold the food them so they will no be there. Last. He said no. Now for 4. Even the 2 big motor then the one pass the tight. Another one for back in the cam. We no day for it for pass. So last. All them they remain for one place. Now me say even Okada one pass, no go fit for pass. Now just they suffer that way people them for Dizange they suffer. I say even for your money before door. We no day. Before man it door. We no day at all. For Sika say all road them for that side. They don't spoil. Now some motor them too they throw away. Small quota where they don't get her for some side. It don't finish OH. It don't cash them. For Sika say they no fair fix the road fine. So people them for Dizange for inside Sanaga Maritime. Then say they di hear bat. They di beg say men gum na do something on top that palaver. Since we the talk chapter for roads, Dizange the cry say roads it don't spoil. For that side from Konsamba 1. we enter for Ekelto quarter 8 for that side. After where people they don't cry, people they don't cry, oh, last quarter for Ekelto, the people they feel waka now. Yes, I say people them for inside that quarter for Ekelto now for Nkonsamba 1 and so now this year the people they don't cry say if they no can fix them roads before school starts. Now me say it will work. So now general work for all man, all people them for quarter as so they can throw away sansan. Now that black sansan way mean say poto no go turn up quick, it no go come. As so they can throw away. Now the people them say for inside Ekelto quarter from Konsamba them say they come out, they say make council level. Yes, they say make council 11. If na say they no get rock people them say they go come out for sick. I say they don't suffer. And as well school they come, they will rain fall. Pikin they no fit come out go school. What are they there for all side? Place ikene. So as well council people they just can't throw the black ground. So chat the people they all they come out for inside with their shovel them. They say we no day. Now them say they go walk amo. They say they go fix their road so that when school is start for Monday, when school is go start, all them they go fit for waka for on top road. For sick I say now they are picking them. I say now they are picking that they don't suffer plenty on top this road. So after where they don't beg plenty time. Now way big man for inside Konsamba council, Konsamba 1 council where it dey so it today for that side with the own cap in the work with people them all them they don't go say me they try for see as way they go help for open that road and for put black ground now permit or that time we cap it too it dey carry own ground for see as way they go open that road and fix them before school is start for Monday. People them for the quarter they be don't overcry plenty. So may yourself for Konsamba 1 a day 2 for outside for see as well they go do the work for that side so that Monday when school go start if rain fall rain e no go be na excuse for picking them say na why that way they no go school for day 1 so that all them they go come out for outside they go them school. So now just so the thing they pass for inside Konsamba 1 council. Make we hear wetin wey one of the people them for inside quarter day he talk for Cyril Njemba.
The route will be where people be coming for house now with 2 shoes before we can go for route. You want to go for route, you take all our shoes, you go for route well. We more there outside, but today now with this way any man they wear now 1 shoes go where we did that. We did it today where the store again. For school, work at 4 for route, dirty their clothes. Dirty begin fall for all their back being dirty. Now where they fix route so if I say they fix have all place where begin the feel work fine. Go school no problem. The problem with the first and that route problem for route for quarter. Okay. More than they flop outside. I did for Cartier with this where we dey for work so. We thank Monsieur Omaro Monsieur Omaro where they work for the we give it ground all day. Now number 3 times this way they gang. It throw gang. For help same more no dey for quarter and that's what they do for Konsamba. We give it time. We thank you plenty. When the one go school, one come back, they work at 4 for road, dirty their clothes. We the big same the 20 is gone for all quarter.
Yes, now person that for quarter for Ekelto, quarter 8 for Konsamba side, they talk for Cyril Njemba. We go left Palava for roads, we take on enter for Yawende. They talk say small time, the problem for lights will be there for Yawende. It go be in a team way, it no go worry people them again. Head boy for company where the local lights, it talks say just now, the team will be spoiled for that place where it be the give light for people them. They don't struggle for see as well they fix them. Even for that side for Melen, when a place where they so they get head office, or pick people them for day, or the people there they the local light for country. They try for see them as well they go start for give light back, small for people that way they so all the time them they be the cry for Sika Palava for light for inside Yawende. According to big man for company where the local light for we country, he don't try for talk say the work where they do am now so no be na say the work he don't finish pata but na say the one na for check as well they go start for give light for people them so that this Palava for dark it no go day plenty again for that side so for inside Yawende. So just now work it don't go up small and light it don't start the turn back small for inside Yawende. After we they she done plenty time we light it no be there for that side so enjoyment it don't start enter for some quarter them we light it no be even day at all for sake this Palava confusion we machine it be get problem for that side for Yawende. We close chapter for light. We go open with big open side for book. Sabi say for Douala side here, plenty school them. I say plenty school them, they don't already start prepare in the proper. Palava for write picking them name for book. Palava for say make they sabi how many picking they go enter school. We turn for different school them for inside Bonaberry side. Someone then say they add another house for sick as say population. He don't add. Sabi say plenty of the people there they come on northwest or west. All them they don't run can enter now for inside Douala here. Now for day where they go see check sense whether now which kind of school they get for enter. Sabi say inside the arrangement we get plenty school them too they don't open them door for say make this picking them where they don't get none a different name say internally displaced pickings or people them one day where they go school for try for enter. So plenty school them will be turn Siam for Bonaberry side. They don't already enter for inside PNEU and even other one they like a Pepcam and even Oxford, plenty them. The day where they already open them door them for see as well they go take register picking them inside this year as well new school year. It go start for inside a country. Number 2 day for number 9 moon 2019. Make we hear wait away one of the teacher them for some private school. A talk for women for that side for Bonaberry.
In a school way, it offer both general, commercial and industrial studies. For that industrial studies, we offer things like motor mechanics, welding, electricity and building. So for this school, we don't open handed for all IDPs, that is the internally displaced persons, where they come out for northwest and southwest. So all of them, this school don't talk say no, the problem where they happen, no be their fault. So we don't welcome all man, all of them where they come for here. And so for sure say we really want to take them, we don't do nothing. We don't even create some homes where they picking them if you can't stay for them, they picking them where they no get houses. So if you can't stay for them for can school. We don't equally drop their school fee by 20% so that at least me all man go for school. So for now so we don't register up to 150 picking the way they come out for either for northwest or for southwest.
Yes, now person that for one of the school them for inside Bonaberry will be meet up Sabi say as well picking the write them name for inside the book for see as well they go start school for Monday. Chapter 2 for book. Now some other aspect that another side that will look Sabi say the binet it don't plenty here for inside Bonaberry plenty. Concern if we get for compare them for the other year them plenty people there they said the book them for corner roads they don't add again this year and plenty of them now one the way they run come up for that side so for Kumba for Sika say team they know the show again so just now for inside Douala here for Bonaberry side we plenty of them they make them binet for see so they said them second-hand book or even exercise book them so they binet for book for Douala side here particular that side for Bonaberry it don't plenty for Sika say they get new phase them. One day where they come up for Kumba, where they run camp for Douala side here for Kansi for Sika say Binet, you know the waka fine for that side so for inside Kumba. Make we hear waiting way one of the person that way the sell book, one of the people that way the sell book will meet up he try for talk for we on top this palava for book for that side for Bonaberry.
We accommodate Kumba, IDP. We run. We be glad for talk for Equinox because now the number one pidgin television station for Cameroon and for Africa and even for the world tomorrow because of the crisis we will get them for Kumba. Our bookshops because schools they need to be able to function for 3 years now. With the cry, government even talks to me school go, but we see and say it not be possible say school go because we see things that the instead get more difficult, more worse and worse. So the crisis me government intervene for see how they fit solve the problem so that Cameroon may be a peaceful country like how it be before. Whether in the northwest, southwest, everywhere for Cameroon may peace be. So we're crying and say for concerning books as of now. If you see and say books, they know parents they know even in the market for buy books because sometimes they know pay get money. And then secondly, most of the books the way they run put and say one book per subject system. The books they not be available for market. We the booksellers and we the suffer. We need to see who's up for buy books. Parents they need to see who's up for buy books. We because the minister is in charge for basic education and secondary education. Me they see how they make up with the publishers. Me they provide books and for market. But the truth na say most of the publishers who they run put their books and for market, they not be able to meet the demand with people that they ask them. So better me they leave and me any author please sell his own book aside he like and before we book they go be available for all man.
Yes, palaver for book, plenty textbook, they know they bet. Tell me, Repe, how the condition, how people them for Douala, they be receive you tawe wrong cam, and how condition where the state to ide. Tell me more, yeah.
Would they still live happily, freely, because as Cameroonian, any place where you feel free for live, you be free for live for the peacefully. Thank God for the peace and for everyone we around receive us for Douala for this short time we will be for here. We get problems here, housing, no they toilets them, they no pay for housing. So but would the thing say me government to intervene because you the one go find house, they will tell you one small room house, they tell you 25,000, 30,000. You go see for one house like some 10-15 people they day for one room. We talk say me government see how they fit solve the problem. Housing say where people they go rent and they no get toilet, the landlord they need to even care for check whether they fit fix the toilet then for the housing. So come for places like Mambanda, Bonaberi, Dobon, Village, all that side them would suffer because we not be used to for we for Kumba, for Southwest, for Goya, Bamenda. Would you know say when you be house you must pay big toilet for the house may be fine. Like my own house where I stay where I rent and for Mambanda, the toilet around flops they throw away for front. And we fine for the help for we would run a war.
Yes, chapter palaver for Dotty. But Sabi say Aswe school go start for Monday. Government bilingual secondary school or government bilingual high school for Mabanda. The road for enter the school na lock up. Na big disgrace. Shame for on top that road. Make we take una show Aswe road for enter for government school. It means say if rain e fall for that Monday, picking them for government bilingual high school for Mabanda. They no go school. I say the road for enter that college na lock up. It means say pikin they go surely find they start prepare them canoe today. For sick I say road no they find at all. For enter for inside government bilingual high school Mabanda. Now the road that as one at the see. So one the day where they know the even fit for even pass on top the stone that they draw the waka them for inside water. See pa the waka even younger the waka for inside water. And now the same way that way picking them. For Monday, they go take waka enter for inside that place. Roads, it don't chakara. I say the road, it don't chakara. Small time they go talk saying a road way there for quarter. Even mommy to the common and silly pass for foot before he enter for inside school. Why he get for be so? This road, it means say if pikin they get for start school for Monday. Now so pikin they go suffer. See as way water don't full up for all side. All place now so water and place set for pikin them for pass. It no go day. Now we would talk just now. Maybe big people them for Douala 4. They did hear we. May they make something so that picking them. They go fit for work and enter for school for Monday. For sick I say if Monday balok it come, rain it fall. Now we rain it fall small now water that way turn up. If rain hard for day, this picking they no go surely enter for school for Monday. The way they begin for enter for sick I say the road for enter for government bilingual high school Mabanda. No be na road way you fit talk say you go pass fine where you know dirty. Or some pikin they say they no go fall for down. Sabi say even so they put stone them. Sometimes then this stone that they kene. You want put your foot for someone. You kene you fall for down. Now so the thing dey. So we dey just talk. No be na say we no talk or una no sabi. We dey talk for na say make una sabi say nothing that way it dey pass. Governor for Southwest, Bernard Okalia Bilaitu, he be there for that side for my 17. My 17 na center point, na place where people they enter moto go for different town them for inside we country. Na Kumba side or na for Douala na Limbe. Sabi say my 17 if he don't get plenty population the week we just finish. But governor he go ask why if true population be plenty and the population be the run come on for outside. But Bernard Okalia Bilai he tell we say na big pom. Say it dey so people them where they be the come out for inside in town. They be there na one day where they become holiday. So they be the turn them back. Now why that way park it be full up according to way governor he talk for we. So he just come for talk saying people they no get for run. say security dey, all man e go do thing wey get for do am in the proper, make no man e no fear. Waka wey carry governor e enter for my 17 after wey dey be talk say, or after wey plenty people dem dey be run comot, or people dey travel comot for that side. So for my 17, governor don tell we say e dey so na holiday people dem wey dey be dey turn back. Na why that way park e be full up, but amok motor be dey o. Yes, motor wey e dey for before na amok motor, so governor be dey too for back, no be na say e be dey for inside that amok motor. Now people dem for Bakassi dem too dey cry na cry. Last time na water e come e Chapie school dem for game. You see ano, water for sea na e enter Chapie school dem. Una dey see ano, na Bakassi side for Idabato, water enter Chapie class dem. Chapie class dem, a Chapie government school, government school for Idabato too, a Chapie government secondary school Idabato. This year they dey fear na fear, say as wey they don go sell for back for 1 kilometer since 2012, they dey fear say make the same water for sea e no meet up them, even near them office water Chapie all thing. So people dem for that side too for Bakassi, dem say they dey check sense on top this palava. You sabi say teacher dem too dey talk say they no go teach if they no pay them the money for salary wey they owe them, and even money for run school. So all the one they so as well na see am, na water wey comot for sea wey e Chapie thing dem so for that side for Idabato, na for Bakassi side. Last story for this afternoon na Kombo, we just turn na with the photo town for Kombo. Na the town this place e don just quiet, they say na square. All place e just dey like say people dey know the shidon dem again for day. Binet e don lock. Even place the way they be dey make small binet all side. All place e quiet. No man e no get mindset for reach Kombo. As so dey talk now, so for some part dem for Kombo, whether na for Mveo or na for square, so na for Usai, for that side for Kombo, all place e quiet. People dey know dey. So e dey like say for this side they no go surely get a school. Na only Okada people there they get heart. Na dem the tonton take photo them for all this side them. As well as the same. Na dem the tonton take photo for this side. So as well the talk on top the chapter. Now face that for Kombo. As well as the same for inside photo. Place a quiet, place a dry. How man go do? Now for prayer. Say me tomorrow e better. Binet people they don't enter Sosongo. Even petrol stations here, as well they empty. No man no dey again. Plenty time they know they carry petrol again for here. As soon as they see them for that side. So now photo way una take see am. Now so we finish story for this afternoon. Country people them make we enter for newspaper them. The Guardian post wey dey for outside this time, e tell we northwest and west palava say wetin lockdown. Now so too e dey so just now. Head boy them for separatists. All man they look na different man now, so for different level. Wait till you get for Sabi on top that chapter. Enter for the Guardian post. Grand Atango, he don't take governor help. He go for that side for West region. Now waiting Grand Atango take and go for West region. Guardian post he get that answer. You feel read Tori too for inside the Guardian post where he consign waiting. Ndian oil he own condition wey just now. He don't be a big thing where country too he want look for inside on top the chapter. Plenty other to read them. You fit for read them for the Guardian post where it dey outside this afternoon. The post weekender. Now some other one will look for inside country people them. Inside the post weekender, they tell we on top this palava where they give mosquito nets. Waiting where they happen. You fit for read them for the post weekender where they tell we say big 419. It happen on top this arraignment. You go read 32 where they tell we Dr. Mulwa, he don't chop chair from deep as a UB them registrar inside the same post weekender to read the day where it concern this palava true number for people the way they so they sleep straight for Sika palava ship where it tumble side for that side for Limbe. Other to read them, you fit for read them inside the post weekender where it day outside this afternoon. Municipal update. Now some other Tori too that will look for inside country people them. Inside municipal update where they for outside this afternoon. Waiting there for before. Municipal updates. Managing will enter. We left the post. We enter for municipal update where they outside this afternoon waiting for inside municipal update. Country people them inside municipal update wey dey outside. We go try for talk on top this palava wey dey for inside the municipal update wey dey outside this afternoon municipal update. E dey try for tell we so different people dem too dey try for prepare. We left the post weekender, we go for municipal update wey dey for outside. Country people them, we go take una enter for different paper wey dey for outside. Country people dem as well that one no the show hate. We enter for the Median newspaper wey dey outside. Country people dem, the Median newspaper wey dey outside the tell we as well and Damba wey e dey so Elum Paul chair. E be happen for that side. So for Coupe Maninguba for Tombel in particular finals e play better for that side. So for inside Tombel population they become up plenty. Honorable Freaks Etok SSF e don give book and other small thing them for help so take 200 internally displaced people them for that side. So for Tico na so today the tell we inside the Median newspaper palava waiting palava wey dey so Amber people them just now they don't start the wicked people them Anglophone people them too according to way the Median e talk am na so too inside the same Median newspaper you go read other to read them. Insider na some other newspaper will look for inside the strong number for inside Cameroon Insider wey dey outside this afternoon. Now another one palava for turn back for school for Norwest and Southwest. They tell we say all thing e don dey prepare for picking them for turn back for school. We get other small one them where if you read them for Cameroon Insider. We enter for Eden newspaper too wey dey outside. Country people them inside Eden newspaper wey dey outside this afternoon waiting there for them. Sabi say one of the strong number them for Eden newspaper e dey try for tell we arrangements as way different thing they don't pass. We to continue on top this palava, Sabi say that side for Eden newspaper they tell we say chapter for picking them or for a moderator for get new moderator for Presbyterian Church. New people them they don't already come out, show them heads who go be moderator for Presbyterian Church. If you read them, this ship 284 for Limbe, they tell we say number for people there they sleep straight. It don't go up to 18. Other to read them, you go read them for Eden newspaper. Logidion now some other one to enter for inside this afternoon. Inside Logidion, they tell we palava this lockdown for Norway and Southwest. Say plenty people then just now they don't confuse inside this palava. Chapter 2 for Professor Maurice Kamto where they get for here for court. They tell we na number 8 day for September moon where Professor Maurice Kamto go enter for court. Bishop them too for Bamenda. They don't talk, say they so make all man in look at Pekin as we new school year it starts for say make Pekin them enter for inside school back. Now they told them that or we enter for municipal updates we dey outside municipal update they tell we palava for turn back for school for Norwest and Southwest. They say just now all thing it dey go for before as well people they talk. Now so to mayor for that side for Tico finals for a cup way put am it go happen now for Friday. Grat and go to it don't go give small help for people them for West region. You go read other tori where they tell we plenty people them for Norwest and Southwest council them they don't deny this palava for a lockdown wey they talk am. Now they told them that in one case for person wey don lost this afternoon country people them the one person wey don lost na pa wey they call it say Ndongni Michel aka man for situation. Yes, Ndongni Michel aka man for situation. They tell we say the palm he come up for house for number 23 day for inside this moon and they talk say pa he hates if he don't start make some kind of way. Well since the past 2 weeks he be the shidon for that side. So for Ndokpasi market since we come up for their house since on number 23 day he never turning back for house. So today we are the talk for now. So Oga Ndongni Maurice he beg any person who don't see the papa where he get 70 years. If you take it go for any K2 them office where they for corner or the tingling number they will see for before tele just now 670-426-340 698-831-027 or 670-553-052. That one now if you call them they say plenty dash. Et du Monsieur Ndongni Maurice déclare la disparition de son papa âgé de 70 ans, le nommé Dongni Michel. Papa Dongni Michel, dite situation, souffre de troubles de la mémoire depuis près de 2 semaines. Parti du domicile familial, 6 au quartier d'Okpasi Marché, depuis le vendredi 23 août 2019. Papa Dongni Michel n'est plus revenu jusqu'à ce jour. Toute personne qui l'hébergerait ou l'aperçoit est priée de bien vouloir la conduire dans un commissariat ou joindre le numéro que vous voyez sur l'écran 670 426 340 698 831 027 670 553 052 contre forte récompense. Now to read them that for this afternoon, country people them. Thank you plenty for Nadine. Thank you to even you, Ledu, plus even Malice. Anyhow, now for some time we will meet up again on a whole I'm tight for outside.